travel. Visit to Coron Island, Palawan, Philippines, September 2023. Meditation on being optimistic. Optimism. Remember, as a child you were an optimist and thought the world was waiting for you with open arms full of pleasurable, exciting adventures. Optimism. Things are not perfect, but not that bad. Optimism. I can make changes. Optimism. Connect with your future fantasy self. Picture yourself sitting by a pool in the garden of a house. Be optimistic. Draw a smiley. Being optimistic. Relax and force a smile on your face. Good things start with a smile. Being optimistic. Believe that great things are coming my way. Being optimistic. I feel optimistic when I remember the universe always provides for me and shows me the way. Being optimistic. Remember how the meditation recited by Wayne Dyer, 3 Magic Words by Will Anderson, was effective and had positive results. Great things are coming my way. I'm open to miracles. Being optimistic. I know if I show up, rain or shine, I'll make it or I will have progress. He who is brave is free.
This is Kayangan Lake in Coron.
Being optimistic. I have faith. I have confidence. Faith is having confidence. Faith is assurance. Faith is desire of good things to come. Being optimistic. Faith is the knowledge, deep down inside, that things will get better. It's taking the next step when you can't see the entire staircase. If we didn't have faith, how could we fly in an airplane?
Entrance of the Kayangan Lake.
Faith is just as important as the air we breathe. It is essential for us to function. Every day you must believe in things that you cannot see. Being optimistic. Faith is what helps to get us through. Faith is the tool that helps replenish abundance in the heart and the spirit, not just in the mind. Faith is trust. This trust can come from past experiences as evidence, or from statistics, or just because you know it's good for you. Being optimistic. Faith keeps you going. If you do any task, it is because you have faith that you will accomplish it. It is like confidence in what you still can't see. It is necessary. Almost all of our activities require faith to start.